evaluate the integral of secant to the fourth x dx from 0 to pi over 4. So I will split the power of secant to the fourth x as secant squared x times secant squared x. Because secant squared times secant squared is also equal to secant to the fourth x. So for this secant squared x, I will transform this in terms of tangent using Pythagorean identity. So secant squared x is equal to 1 plus tan squared x, right? Times secant squared x dx. And then I will use u substitution. So let u be equal to tan x because the derivative of tan x is the secant squared x dx. So derivative of u du, derivative of tan x is secant squared x dx. So we should also get the new lower and upper limit in terms of u. So if the original lower limit in terms of x is 0, you substitute here, u is equal to tan x. So replace x with 0, you have u is equal to tan 0 and tan 0 is equal to 0, right? Next, if x is equal to the upper limit pi over 4, so u is equal to tan x, which is pi over 4. So tan pi over 4 is equal to 1. So this will be the new lower limit 0 and the upper limit 1. Now let's substitute. So we have integral from, so the new lower limit 0, the new upper limit 1, and for the integrand we'll have 1 plus tan x. Tan x is u raised to the second power, and then the secant squared dx is equal to du. So this will be our new integral. So to evaluate this integral, we will have integral of 1 du or integral of du is u plus integral of u squared. So applying power rule, integral of u to the n u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided n is not equal to negative 1. So the integral of u squared applying power rule is u to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, or u cube over 3. And then let's evaluate this from the lower to upper limit from 0 to 1. So let's substitute first the upper limit 1 to every u. So we'll have 1 plus 1 cube over 3. Then minus, substitute the lower limit 0 to every u. So 0 plus 0 cube over 3. So we have 1 plus 1 cube over 3, that's 1/3. Then minus, so this will just be equal to 0, right? So therefore, we just have 1 plus 1/3, or in improper fraction, that's 3 times 1, 3, plus 1, 4, over 3. So the final answer is 4/3.